welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you about using facial expressions and emotions to express your feelings while signing. So for a simple example with the words yes and no, there are different ways you can express the feelings related to yes and no responses, okay? So for example, yes. So if I say yes, I'm really excited, right? If I just say yes, then I'm not excited, but it's like a go ahead yes. So if I say no, like no, then you know I might be upset or angry. If I say no, I might be sad. So there are many different ways you can express with signing to get your point across. So with sign language, that's one of the most important things in sign language is to use expression from your face and your body language to express what you're trying to communicate. So don't forget that when you're signing, think about your facial expressions in your body and the message you're trying to send to people, because it's really a lot about that when it comes to ASL.